I'm just gonna go to the side.
So for this certificate of appreciation, this certificate is presented to Pastor Edmund in recognition of your inspiring message during Counterflow Ministries' 10th year anniversary. Your insightful teachings and encouragement have deeply touched our hearts and strengthened our faith. With our theme, The Counterflow Glow, embracing our youthful light and shining bright for the Lord.
Okay, I would also like to call on sa mga nag-testimony kanina. Certificate of Appreciation. The certificate is presented to Alicia Joyce Bautista in recognition of your heartfelt testimony during the event. Your courage to share your personal experience has inspired and encouraged our community. And I also call on Kuya Rainbow na isa rin nag-testimony. Yan. And I also like to call on sa mga alumni. Yeah, we welcome you again here in Counterflow. Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is presented to Aubrey Gail de la Cruz, for your invaluable presence and active participation during Counterflow Ministry 10th year anniversary celebration. Ganon rin po kay Ate Brianna, and Jesse William Dungo. Mga embers po pala natin sila, sir.
Sayaw daw kayo,
Sayaw, sayaw, sayaw.
Tapos iabot mo. Also, it doesn't end there. Dapat lahat sila may certificate. So as Kitsch leaders, we are very appreciative of our core leaders for making this 10th year anniversary and for always helping grow this community and this ministry. So this certificate is presented to Kuya Jello Salazar. This awarded in sincere appreciation for your unwavering dedication and passionate service to the Lord through Counterflow Ministry. Your leadership, enthusiasm, and steadfast commitment have been instrumental in advancing our mission and nurturing the spiritual growth of our community. Your tireless efforts in guiding and inspiring our youth embody the true spirit of the theme, The Counterflow Glow, embracing our youthful light and shining bright for the Lord. Yes. The same, the certificate is awarded to Osea. Yeah. To Ate Abby. Yeah. To Kuya Rainbow again, and to Ate Chami.
Sabihin mo na rin yan. Hindi, si Kuya Tan.
And to Kuya Tan.
Special mention.
Special mention.